Starting a business requires careful planning, dedication, and flexibility to adapt to changing circumstances and market conditions. Small-scale businesses are on a rapid race in this technological era, all thanks to the availability of reliable small business machines from China that are cheap and can be operated with ease. In this video, I bring you 5 small real money making machines which can help you jumpstart your own business with affordable prices and with little or no skills to operate them. 1. Plastic bottle making machine. A plastic bottle making machine, also referred to as blow molding machines, is used to produce plastic bottles and containers from polymers like PET, polyethylene terephthalate. Scalability of this business is always promising as there's already huge market demand for plastic bottles. These machines are vital for businesses involved in packaging beverages, cosmetics, pharmaceuticals, and household products. Commonly used in beverages industry due to their enhanced strength and transparency. Machines range from automatic to semi-automatic and work through a process called blow mold. Preforms are heated and stretched both axially and radially while being blown into the mold, which improves strength and clarity. The formed bottles are cooled and then ejected from the mold, making it ready for use or sale. Prices for these machines start from $2,000. Since plastic bottles are highly on demand, this business reveals profitability to whoever invests in it. 2. Steel sponge making machine / scrubbers making machine. If you are still thinking about which business idea with high returns you should do, then look no further than on making your own stainless steel bowls. These play a great role in almost every homestead around the world. These metal sponges do well with cleaning utensils, kitchenware, and all cooking appliances. Heavy-duty scrubbers can be used for cleaning machinery, industrial equipment, and surfaces. Steel sponge making machines are essential for producing steel scrubbers used in both household and industrial cleaning. Their efficiency, cost-effectiveness, and ability to produce high-quality, consistent products make them a valuable investment for businesses. With an investment of about $2,000 to purchase the steel bowl machine, you are certain that the steel bowls produced will have ready market since the products are an everyday household use. Carrying out social media campaigns and advertisements will ensure a broad market base for your steel bowls. 3. Napkin making machine business. Napkins are essential items used in households, restaurants, hotels, and various other establishments catering to the increasing demand for disposable and hygienic products. With a napkin making machine, a variety of products can be made, like creating custom printed napkins for events, branding purposes, and special occasions, as well as supplying napkins to restaurants, cafes, hotels, schools, offices, hospitals, and other food service establishments. The continuous and growing demand for disposable napkins in various sectors ensures a steady market for the products, thus providing other opportunities for expansion into related products such as tissue paper, paper towels, and other disposable hygiene products. The raw material used is typically tissue paper, which can be sourced in rolls or sheets. Napkin making can be a profitable venture due to the essential nature of the product associated with automation, scalability, and the potential for customization makes it an attractive business venture. Additionally, the ability to produce eco-friendly products can help tap into the growing market for sustainable solutions. Machine prices start from $2,000. 4. Soap making machine. With a simple soap machine from China, production of soap has become a more viable and vibrant business venture across the world due to cost-effectiveness, machine efficiency, and easy scalability of soap business. With this machine, various soap types can be produced, such as manufacturing soap bars for personal hygiene, laundry, and other cleaning purposes, liquid soap production for hand washing, dishwashing, and other cleaning needs, specialty soaps like medicated, herbal, organic, and scented soaps tailored to specific customer needs through customization in shape, size, color, fragrance, and other ingredients to meet market demands. The growing consumer demand for organic and specialty soaps also presents opportunities for the business to tap into niche markets. Soap making involves mixing oils and fats with a lye solution to initiate saponification that produces soap. Prices for these machines start from $5,000. Investing in soap making machines can significantly benefit your business by enhancing production efficiency, ensuring product consistency and quality, and reducing costs. can easily establish a competitive business in soap manufacturing due to the high market demand for soap and due to availability of cheap raw materials. 5. Chalk making machine. A chalk making machine is designed to automate the process of manufacturing chalk sticks. The machine can produce chalk sticks in various shapes, sizes, and colors. Chalk is widely used in educational institutions for use in schools, colleges, and universities for writing on blackboards, in industries for marking in construction, tailoring, welding, and metalworking, retail shops, and for art and craft purposes. Growing demand for educational and artistic chalk presents opportunities for business to tap into various markets and expand your product range. If you are a teacher or head of a school, adding chalk production as a side business will increase your profitability margins beyond expectation. Chalk is produced by mixing pulp and water together to form a smooth paste. Chalk making machines provide significant benefits by enhancing production efficiency, ensuring product quality and consistency, and reducing costs. The ability to produce customized and high-quality chalk makes them a valuable investment for business. Starting a chalk-making business can be a profitable venture, especially in areas with a steady demand for educational supplies. Machine price start from $500, so there you have it. The 5 money-making machines that you can buy and start making money from the yard of your home or your garage. Please share with us in the comment section which business idea you wish to do or start. Which other machine types you want us to talk about, and which one do you intend to buy if you were to start your business now? Let us know in the comments and see you in the next video. Adios.